is down, mouth, up, down. Flip it open, mouth, up, add some feet, down, mouth, up, down. Flip it open, good. Up, hit, down. You want it? I've got the vaccine. Take it front. Switch sides, take it up. Arms out. Front. Take it down, you know this. Up, high, down. Speed it up and down. Now. Fast, feet, same arms. Up and over. Break out of the bad romance that you're in. You've been in it for years, and now's the time that you break free. Up. Hold it here. Take it up. Right back to that beginning. Front. Same thing, other side, let's go.
I want your psycho, your vertigo stick. While you admire a window, baby, you're sick. I want your love. Love, 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 I want your love.
Down, up, take it low. Feet, go right first. Now. Let's see those fast feet low. Take it up. You're breaking out of the web of their lies. Same thing this side. You're gonna walk like a model with this foot. Let's go. Back and up. Oh no! Can you add a little hop to this? Last one. Step out, out, and open. Take it up, take it down, and again. This is your interlude. It's where you get your breath while looking fierce. Speed it up, out. Good. I don't want to be friends. Speed it up again. Give me drama. Let's go. Drop. Fast feet low. Switch sides. Want your bad romance. Haley and I used to be in a bad romance, and now we have a podcast together. So listen to Coffee with My Ex every single week on YouTube, and you can click right here to keep on dancing with us.